When an application is submitted and is with the Reviewing Research Office, it will be assessed for eligibility to be reviewed by either the HREC or the RGO. Research officers are directed by local guidelines and ones provided by New South Wales or ACT Health. If an application does not meet the requirements, the Research Office will mark the application as ineligible within REGIS. Depending on the type of application, the coordinating principal investigator or principal investigator and admin contact will receive a system email notification from the Reviewing Research Office. This email should clearly outline what is required for the application to be made eligible. This could be changes needing to be made to data within the application form or submitted documents needing amending. Once you are logged in, you can either select your study from your top 5 projects if you have recently accessed it, or use the projects icon at the top of the screen to search through your full list of studies in the system. You can clearly see the ineligible application by the status. Click anywhere on the application row to expand it. Anyone with edit access or the owner of the application form will have access to edit the application, in addition to the coordinating principal investigator or principal investigator as appropriate to the type of application. In order to resubmit an ineligible application, a new version of the application needs to be created. Select New Version. Select New Version. Any comment you add here will only be visible by those in the study team. It is not a mandatory field and you do not need to add a comment here. If you are not adding a comment, select New Version again. Once you create a new version of the application, the status changes to In Progress and the system version will automatically update to the next available version, in this instance 1.01. To access the application to edit it, select the identifier. Update the application form and any documents as per the reasons provided in your ineligible application email notification. If you make any changes to the application or submitted documents that were not requested, you will add additional time onto the review of your application. If you have been asked to amend any study documentation, do not remove the entire row unless the document you have uploaded has no relevance to the study. If you are amending a document and have your final document ready to be uploaded, simply select the red X next to the electronic file name. This will remove the electronic document. To upload the final document, you can either drag and drop it into the section here or select Browse to locate the document. If you have made any changes to the document, such as the version and date, make sure you update that in the document descriptor. How you describe your document here is how it will appear on your approval or authorization notification. If you have made changes to a document, make sure you upload a tracked copy in order for easy review by your research office. Once you have provided all of the required information, you can resubmit your application back to the Reviewing Research Office. If you are not the coordinating principal investigator or principal investigator, you will need to save your progress at this point and notify them it is ready to be resubmitted. At this point, you have the option to download the application form and attachments and the tracked copy of the application. You can see that the status of the application has updated to submitted and is no longer editable.